Alright, let's go again, Nath. What are we doing now? Feeding very large shark. Very large sharks. That's what ate my fish earlier, I believe. There's about half a dozen of them there, eh?
Yep.
Here he comes. Ooh, he's getting... Oh, don't upset him.
You're gonna make him angry. Here he comes.
Dude.
Look at that! Here comes the other big one. Oh! Hey, the big fellas are just hanging low, aren't they?
Did you get a bite?
Yeah, here he comes. Oh yeah!
Oh, shit, that's a big shark.
Look at him turn. Oh!
Dude.
Oh, there's still some on there, yeah?
They're seriously big and angry sharks.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, there he is. He's got it. Oh! Alright. We'll get your technique here, dude. Yeah, how's that technique go?
Come on, one more bit. Come and get it.
Unbelievable.
Needs a shake.
Oh. He's coming up for a look.
Come on.
Unreal. They're big sharks. I don't think there's enough to really make them happy.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Alright.
Well, that was a...
That was a bit of fun, dude.
Yeah.
Bit of fun. Alright.
Keeps you right, doesn't it, mate?
That's right, yeah. I thought we were going to lose that rope there at one stage.
See if I'll come up and kill them.
Alright.
Come and get it.
Come and get it. No strings attached.
Yeah, no strings attached, that's it. Oh, yeah, he did
and
too.
he got it. Gone. Alright. Pretty cool day, dude. I think we'll go home. We've earned a beer.